Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Clubhouse Lee. And it has been a while since I've last talked to you guys. It's been about a month. Things have been crazy, you know, end of school and all that. But today we are working on the Silverado, and I've been waiting a very long time to do this. If you guys recall, back in early of this year, I replaced the front headlights with Vipmotoz's headlight housings, LEDs for the turn signals, LED everything. Well, I really liked how those housings came out. We are actually replacing the back three tail lights, the left, the right, and the third tail light up above. Well, I've been waiting 3 months for these housings to come in. For some reason, they were very hard to find. So let me show you what I got. So this is the same box style as I did the other one. Let me take this out of the bubble wrap for you. Alright, so here's what we got. These are really clean. This is exactly what I wanted. They had another version like this that was easy to find but was smoked, and I didn't want smoke lenses. I wanted clear to match the fronts, and plus I believe in Arizona smoke lenses are illegal. Here's our old brake light housing, and here's our new one right there. To get started, all we have to do is take off this top screw and this bottom screw right down here, and then this one will come out. Alrighty, so here is the old lens. And it's just like the front headlights. These are plug and play, so we unscrew this one, and this one, take the bulbs out, and on the new one we just plug it into those, screw it in to make the watertight seal, and we are done. So let me disconnect these, and we'll make sure that it fits in this housing first. Okay, so I got all the bulbs unscrewed out of the old one. Now with these, all it is this just a plug and play. So obviously you get the right hand side. So this bottom one is going to be your reverse light. This one is going to be your turn signal, and then this one is obviously going to be your brake light. And just remember, LEDs have a polarity on them, so if it doesn't work the first time, that's okay. Just unpull it, flip a 180, and put it back in. Alrighty guys, the new tail light is in, and I have to say I really like this look. Looks clean, crystal clear. You got your ambers down here, and then you got your reverse light here, and then this C part, but you will see in a minute, turns red LED, which is actually going to be your turn signal / running light. When you hit the brakes, all of these will light up red. So let me demonstrate. Alright, so as you can hear, the truck is running, and here's your running light, crystal clear, and then here's the old one, kind of boring, dim, and as you can even tell on the back of the garage here, you can see which one's the LED and which one's not. The one on the driver's side is not, and you can't even see the reflection on the wall, but you can see the reflection here. So let me put this in reverse to show you the reverse light. Alrighty, so the reverse light is on. As you can tell, that is hella bright compared to just your not too bad there, but it could be better. And then let me hit the brake lights for you and show what the rest of that does. Alrighty, and the brake light have been engaged, and look how clean that is, guys. Oh man, I love it. And as you could tell, you could obviously tell which one's LED and which one is not. So now that this one is installed, I'll move to the driver's side, and then we are done. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the truck is done. I got the third tail light in. The third tail light is right up there. So the third tail light is right up there, and obviously it's not running because the brakes aren't on, but let me show you the back tail lights. Alrighty, so there are the back tail lights, and they look amazing. I love that C shape. It really makes them look great. Definitely more than happy with them. And they are bright, especially with the backup light at night, considering you can see it right there. I really like how they came out. Let me show you the cargo lamp on the third tail light. So there's the cargo lamp, and in broad daylight you could still see them, so that's pretty bright. I have not tried it at night yet, but I will. So guys, that concludes today's video. I've been waiting a long time to do these. I'm glad they came in. Stay tuned for the next couple because they're going to be really good. And hopefully within a few weeks, you're going to see something really big happen to this truck. And yeah, stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.